I'm Delene. In a few days' time, we will be setting off to the Kgalagadi. I'm going to bake some homemade rusks to take with, and I'm going to share how I make these with you. Have a look in the description box for the recipe. Happy baking! The first thing I do is line 4 loaf pans after spraying them with spray and cook, and I line them with wax paper and spray that with spray and cook as well. Next, I get all my ingredients together and melt the butter. I have combined all the dry ingredients and I'm going to mix them up now and make a well in the middle to put in the wet ingredients. I have combined the melted butter, the eggs and the buttermilk in this bowl, and I'm now going to add it into the dry ingredients. Now all the mixing starts. Make sure you mix this thoroughly into a dough. I find the best way to mix this up is to scrunch it and knead it by hand. Once the ingredients are properly combined, it's time to divide the mixture into 4 and put it into the 4 loaf pans. This is not a favorite part of mine, this part and the dividing of the mixture, because I hate my hands getting all sticky like this. Press the dough down lightly in the pan so that it fills up to all corners of the pan. And now it's time to pop them in a preheated oven. Hot out of the oven and smelling so good. Now to leave them to cool and to take the loaves out of the pans, and then I leave them overnight in the fridge because I found that makes it much easier to slice the loaves into rusks. So we'll be back tomorrow. I have dried the rusks overnight, and all we need now is a nice hot cup of coffee. As far as taking them with us on our travels, I always pack them in airtight containers. This one fits perfectly in our coffee basket, and then the other containers go into our food crates.